Let's take the old 5.9 for a spin. You buckled up? Watch your feet. See you, buddy. I'll holler at you. Thank you too. Alrighty. Huh? Is it? Yeah.
Hey, where are your little YouTube tanks?
Oh.
The cards.
They're in my other truck. You ready?
Yes.
You buckled in? Let's get some air going in here. I don't know. Is it not a he?
No, it's a girl. I thought I heard you say, I don't know who he is.
Enjoy the drive, baby.
Her name's Paisley.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this drives so much better. Hold on, baby. So he put a cam tappet gasket on it. Then he changed the oil, put a fuel filter on it, and changed the tie rod in that had a lot of play in it. And now it definitely drives pretty well. Hopefully it'll drive really good. How you doing, buddy? Tell Bubba if anybody's coming that way. Nobody coming?
What?
Until I haven't drove this truck in about 3 weeks.
Hey, we should give you one of those. Okay?
Yeah. You like driving around?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty out here, isn't it? Yeah. When I start raising bees next year, they'll help all the flowers grow really big.
Wow.
And we'll get to get honey off of them.
So cool. Guess what?
What?
I've watched TV all day today.
That's good. See if those turkeys are still out here when we go by. They'll be on that side over there.
We eat turkey on Thanksgiving.
Yeah. I don't see any turkeys anymore, do you? Oh, here they are right here.
Hi, turkey.
See them over there?
Yeah.
Nice.
Eat one of those for Thanksgiving?
Maybe. That's how I want to have it set up. Just a big barn garage like that.
There's a boat in there.
Park whatever you want in there. It's big enough.
Yeah. Just don't put a whole tank in there, right?
Right.
Wait, can I fit a tank?
I don't know. Only one way to find out.
I feel like we have a very big house.
We got a good house. We're very blessed. I've missed driving this truck, you know.
Yeah.
I got a new fuel cap at the house put on it, where you put your, you would call it gas. I got a new one of those waiting at the house. Then I'm going to replace the headlights. That way when I start hauling wood in this winter, everything's good to go. Look at all the deer right here.
Well, you should get one of those.
Look, there's a baby one.
Oh, that's so cool. Did you see that playground? Where are we going?
Home.
Wow. That's a pretty house.
Look how pretty everything is over there.
This is bright.
Yeah.
That's a big one right there.
It's alright. You still wave. That way if they see you, they know that you were a nice person.
Even if they don't see it.
Right.
You are a good person.
Think so?
Yeah.
Leaving black smoke behind us.
Remember that girl that put her phone over the wheel? She dropped the whole road?
Mm-hmm. Got a high five. Yeah.
Her name Paisley.
Paisley?
Yeah.
Whose name's Paisley?
The baby doll.
Ah, okay.
I
He has a
think-
good time.
Yeah. We should do it again.
Probably can.
Yeah. Wait, what was that one thing Mom showed us? Was it in Tennessee? Like she thought maybe we could go here for this year's vacation.
I'd have to look, maybe.
Oh, it's not gone. Look, it was like God or Jesus.
What?
One time I saw God or Jesus. So cool. Whoa. Wait, he is in the clouds, right?
I don't know, baby.
Nobody knows.
Well, I'm glad to have my firewood truck again.
Yeah.
And put it to work.